You're moving, you got to change your number. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, and I'm going to show you how to change or replace the SIM card in your iPhone. Right? Before you do that, you need to get your hands on a very technical tool in order to access the iPhone SIM card receptacle port. All right, now it's a little tool, they use that, and I'm sure you can order it online, or you could use one of my favorite technical tools, yes, the common paper clip. Get it pointy like this, and I'll show you how to use it. It's the only tool you'll ever need to do any maintenance, or the only maintenance you should ever do on the iPhone. All right, the place you're going to find your SIM card hole or compartment is going to be right here at the very top of the iPhone. There's where you put your headphones in, and there's a itty-bitty little hole. You use our highly technical tool right here and just push it right in there. Yeah. And with a little thing, she'll pop right open. All right, and now we just slide it. Now, this always feels like a very gentle operation. There we go. And inside, is the brain of the bad boy, the SIM card. Now I'm going to push on it, just gentle, and flip it out, or you can turn it over. And here it is, everything you need to know to transmit the information in 3G. Okay, now to reinsert it, we're going to pretend that this is a different one. Use your imagination. And now we're going to take our tray back. You're going to see, if you look very, very carefully, that there's a little notch here and a little notch at the top. That's how we're going to place it in there. Now, when it's up, you want to be able to see the copper interface of the chip or the card. And all we're going to do is just gentle. There's no reason to force anything. Just in there nice and easy. Yep. And then when you get down to here, we're going to do one little quick, not over push. Bop. She's even with the top. She's good to go. Once it's locked in there, all you have to do is turn it back on, and you've got a whole new SIM card. I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later.